Welcome to 7 Viewpoint Avenue, Glen, Waverley. My name is Peter Toh from Waverley Real Estate. I'm proud to be the salesperson of this great property. Let's come in to have a look through. This east-facing home is situated in one of the best streets and near the highest point of Glen, Waverley, which is the Victoria Police Academy building. A very quiet street with good neighbours. Also, it is near the Giles Park, Glen Waverley Golf Course, Women's Sports Centre and Waverley Netball Centre. This beautiful white brick home is built on a good-sized block of 745 square metres with 18 metres frontage. This beautiful, well-maintained brick home has 3 bedrooms. Master bedroom has an ensuite, a family-sized bathroom, light-filled formal lounge and dining room. Gourmet kitchen with gas cooktop, range hood and plenty of storage space. A large family overlooking the rear garden, watching family and friends enjoying the weekend barbecue at the patio. Also, there are mature fruit trees in the easy-to-maintain landscape the front garden. Adding to the value, this beautiful home is in the Glen Waverley Secondary College and Mountview Primary School zone. Approximately only about 10 minutes walk to Mountview Primary School. It is also within 10 minutes drive to the prestigious Wesley College. A great location, just minutes away from the Glen Shopping Centre, Village Cinema Complex, Kingsway restaurants, bus stops, train station, easy access to M1 Monash Freeway and the East Link. Thanks for tuning in to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you at one of our open inspections. We'll see you soon.